My name is Amanda Dano. I go to Cape May Technical High School and I'm in early childhood development. It's like being able to go into the classroom every day and like see the little smiles on the kids' faces has been incredible. Just a way to start off my morning.
My name is Destiny Bukowski. I'm a junior at Cape May Tech and I take early childhood development. Work-based learning is beneficial because you gotta see if you like it, especially outside of your classroom because you are there all year.
It's just fantastic because it's just you're able to get a feel for kind of what you want to do, and it's like I learned that I might not want to be with younger kids but a little bit older, and it's just good to know what you want to do.
My name is Megan Shedlock. I'm a preschool instructional coach. I think this has been a wonderful experience. I think this provides high school students the opportunity to get into a classroom and see what it's really like, and I think it brings light to a classroom for young children because it is another role model for them to look up to. So it's a really positive experience all the way around.
My name is Carol Ann Mostowski. I am a preschool instructional coach. I think it's been a great experience for all of the students to come in and see what a real preschool classroom looks like and actually be in the field. I was a high school intern at one point in my career, and I was lucky enough to start working in this district that I'm currently working in as that intern. So I see a huge benefit.
My name is Linda and I work at Cape May Tech High School as an early childhood development teacher. I work with 10th, 11th, and 12th grade students. The experience that they have already gleaned just being in our school and seeing teaching approaches and seeing philosophies, it opens up their minds to seeing the same thing, same concepts taught differently from different personalities and different expertise areas.
It's important to be able to make money through this too, because as we're young, it's like we're saving up for cars to get, I just got my permit, and all I've been trying to do for the summer is to save money, and being able to do that during the school year, because I play 3 sports, so it's kind of hard to find jobs, and if I'm able to do that during school hours, it would be fantastic.
We have students who are currently working jobs while they're attending Cape May Tech, and they will be offered these jobs once they graduate. So they are already lined up for jobs before they even leave our doors.
They can take their knowledge that they gained here and that level of professionalism that they saw firsthand and apply that right into the workforce, which is really exciting and really a great, valuable tool for not only those children, but it's something that allows them to give back to us too, which just continues that partnership.
Soft skills that I've learned: respect and communication with older people, to have respect towards them, because it's like I've seen how they work and stuff like that, and it's been able to pick up on their skills too and learn from them.
These high school students are ready to enter the workforce, and I think that the program that Tech is running is setting those students up for really wonderful success.